Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for an LED mask, this video is for you. So what we have here is a battery enclosed rechargeable LED mask. How you turn it on is there is a kind of a hidden button here in the back, long press hold, that will pop up and turn on. There are slits right in the back to be able to see through. On the back side, there's cushion because it's mostly flat. I mean, it's got a little curvature to it, but it's mostly flat. It does come with a USB to USB-C to charge, which would plug in right here. The elastic band that would go around the old cranium is adjustable. It does have Velcro on the sides here, and it's kind of hard to say like how big a melon this would go around, but 24, 25, 26 inches, it can go pretty big. It does have a good bit of stretch to it. The inside is the soft part of the Velcro, and just a matter of just loosening it up, pulling it tight, and putting it on. From a ease of use, pretty simple. Just put it on. You can see through these slits, and ideally, it would be best to have a hoodie that is not provided. And even if there was like some net covering or something, almost like you would see from like skiing standpoint, something to kind of cover the neck area. So it's pretty much just this would be ideal to kind of get the full covered look. And it has a whole bunch of different settings. And there's a little sensor right here that can barely be seen. And just by swiping over it, it picks up movement and it will change what is on the screen. Very, very cool. So from happy face, just a variety of different things. And so from a use standpoint, you can definitely change the face and then kind of leave it as you like. Whatever, might be of interest to you. Very, very cool. Easy to see out of for sure. The padding on the inside makes it, comfortable around the eye area. So it has a setting where you can cover the sensor until it has the X mark. There's OK. There's the X, and then that will lock in the actual screen. Or you can turn it to OK, and now when you wave in front of it, it will change the setting. So you're able to kind of pick the one you want and then keep it on that one, or like this one, it's just going to keep changing over and over again until you're like, oh, that's the one I want, like this. And now it will stay. So a variety of different settings, very, very cool. The cool part about the battery in this, it will last 8 to 10 hours. Hopefully this answered any question you might have about this cool LED mask. Full disclosure, this company did send this to me, said, Ron, tell us what you think. Tell us what you think. Give us an honest review. Hopefully that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.